Hi. I guess no Thanksgiving dinner is complete without pumpkin pie, which is one of my favorites. Actually, everything with Thanksgiving is my favorite. So with this pie, you can either you make your own crust, or you can buy the store-bought crust, which works perfectly too. And I've done the same thing. You can buy them from any store, any market. So I bought one myself. What you just there is a direction on every package how to cook it, but I basically cook them in 10 minutes in 400 degrees, which I have already done it. So my pie crust is ready, but you are welcome to use from scratch too. So we're gonna get the rest of the ingredients. Oh, so I'm gonna add one third cup of sugar, 2 eggs room temperature, and 1 egg yolk, and 2/3 of condensed not sweetened milk, condensed milk, and 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 2 teaspoon of maple syrup. These are my liquid maple syrup. 2. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. 2 cups of unsweetened pumpkin puree. Is our can bought too. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. If you like it more, actually I'm gonna use 1.5 pumpkin spice. So we mix this. Okay, and we will put it in our crust. Okay. And we'll bake this on 325 degrees an hour and 15 minutes, 75 minutes exactly. So let's put it in the oven and cook it for 75 minutes. Okay. So well, look how pretty our pie is. As you can see, the middle is little loose, but that's okay because when it gets cold, it's gonna get hard too. So it looks perfect. And we can eat this either with whipping cream or ice cream or anything you want. I like it just like this, original. Pretty, my goodness. Voila, look how beautiful these pies and cornbreads are. Look, beautiful. And the pumpkin pie, we can add some, ooh, ooh, some whipping cream on it too. And this is the pumpkin pie. It's so hot already. We have to let it cool down. It smells so good.
That's not a pumpkin pie. It's blueberry pie.
Yeah, blueberry pie, pumpkin pie, cornbread, and I think we have our Thanksgiving dinner, complete. Except the flowers, which I'm gonna work on them tomorrow, and I'll show you how to make some flower arrangement and centerpieces for your Thanksgiving dinner table. So I hope you make these pies and enjoy as much as I'm going to enjoy it. And I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.